Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have a browser and editor. Now start. Create index. HTML and script. JS in the same folder, so linking is simple. In index, HTML, add the minimal HTML skeleton and save. Then add a script tag at the end of the body or a src equals script. JS attribute so the browser loads your code after the DOM. This matters because scripts run in order. Placing scripts at the end prevents blocking. Once linked, open index. HTML in the browser to see console output and confirm the file loads. Now implement the core logic inside script. JS, use document, query selector or get element by ID to grab elements. This gives direct references you can manipulate. Add event listeners like add event listener, click handler to react to user input. If you need setup, wrap code in document. Add event listener, DOM content loaded, equals, or ensure script runs after the DOM. This guarantees elements exist before you access them. Once event handlers modify the DOM, update classes, or inner text, rather than finish by testing interactions and cleaning code. Remove debug prints, modularize functions, and consider bundling for production. Use the browser DevTools console to inspect errors and sources to step through code. Breakpoints show state so you can find logic bugs. If the script doesn't load, make sure the script src path is correct and that cores or server headers aren't blocking files. One quick troubleshooting tip: if nothing runs, open the console. A single syntax error will stop all subsequent JavaScript from executing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.